What if you could use a credit card and pay zero interest for up to 21 months? It sounds almost too good to be true. But that's exactly what a 0% APR credit card offers. In this video, we're breaking down what 0% APR really means, how it works, and when it actually makes financial sense. APR stands for annual percentage rate. It's the interest you pay when you carry a balance on your credit card. Most credit cards charge between 20 and 29% APR. That means if you don't pay your full balance, interest starts building quickly. And over time, that interest can cost you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Some credit cards offer something called a 0% introductory APR. This means you won't pay interest for a limited period of time. Usually that period lasts between 12 and 21 months. During this time, your balance does not grow from interest, but it's important to understand this offer is temporary. Once the introductory period ends, the regular APR applies. There are two main types of 0% APR offers. First, 0% APR on purchases. This allows you to buy something and pay it off over time without interest during the intro period. Second, 0% APR on balance transfers. This lets you move high interest debt from one credit card to another and pause interest temporarily. For people carrying expensive credit card debt, this can be a powerful strategy. But here's what many people overlook. Balance transfers usually come with a fee. Typically, that fee is between 3 and 5% of the amount transferred. For example, transferring $5,000 with a 3% fee would cost you $150 up front. Also, if you don't pay off the balance before the intro period ends, interest begins accumulating at the regular rate, which can be 25% or higher, and missing a payment could cancel your 0% offer entirely. A 0% APR card makes sense if you have a clear repayment plan. It works best when you can pay off the balance within the introductory period. It also requires a decent credit score, usually 670 or higher. Used strategically, it can help you save money on interest. Used carelessly, it can lead to deeper debt. 0% APR is not free money. It's a financial tool, and like any tool, it works only if you use it correctly. If you want clear, practical credit education without hype or confusion, subscribe to CardLogic. Smart credit decisions start with understanding how the system works.